want to talk about weight gain. At certain times of the year, we tend to eat a little bit more, we do less activity, and we get a little bit around the tummy. And then people decide to lose it, right? They work out, they do all types of things, but what do you actually lose? And how do you lose this that you have accumulated over, a certain time period? So we actually ask people.
When you lose weight, you're losing fat by burning more calories that are stored in the fat. So the fat is breaking down, I think.
You lose the fat store by making your body use it for energy.
I really don't know. I guess it has something to do with energy and chemical bonds, but that's a great question and I can't wait to know the answer.
And the answer is, to lose fat, you have to breathe it out. You're like, what is that all about? Well, let's look what a fat molecule looks like, the chemical formula. This is the chemical formula of a standardized fat molecule that you have inside your body. There's many different ones, but this is it. And if you remember your chemistry, C stands for carbon, H stands for hydrogen and oxygen. And you can see there's lots of carbon, lots of hydrogen, and only a bit of oxygen in fat. Now your body, in order to get rid of that, will convert that using oxygen into something else. So your body will convert it into this. So if you look, we got the fat, you take lots and lots of oxygen, then you breathe in, and you breathe out that fat in the form of carbon dioxide and water. So water, you can perspire it, can go through urine, so on and so forth. But the carbon dioxide, you actually breathe it out. So that's kind of strange. A lot of people don't realize that if you want to get rid of fat, you actually need to breathe it out as carbon dioxide through your lungs. So I want you to think that your lungs are the main excretory organ when it comes to getting rid of fat. So you're like, oh my goodness. Well, it is true. That's what it is. You're using the fat, you're using the energy of the fat to do stuff, and one of the byproducts of that is carbon dioxide that you will breathe out. So if you want to lose fat, you need to breathe it out as carbon dioxide. Now, it doesn't mean you got to breathe more. No, it doesn't work that way. It means you have to actually move more in order to breathe out that fat in the form of carbon dioxide. So rule of thumb is, if you want to lose weight, you want to lose that fat, you want to breathe out more carbon dioxide, real simple, move more and also eat less.